Merry Christmas, everyone. So the market closed a bit greener last Friday. We're going to discuss the SPY and the other stocks on our watch list that have potential to squeeze. First one is VKTX, and we discussed this breakout zone around the $8.24. You see this bullish channel, so this is indication for strength for this stock. We're going to discuss dwac and potential bottom for the $5.50, and we're going to discuss muln accumulation below the 26 cent. There is a potential for a squeeze. ardx is pumping from the $2.17 after we bought back from our support, as we discussed before, the $1.57. And of course, we never gonna forget the SPY, because we got rejected exactly around our channel from above the 400, and we enter a bit of bearish momentum. You see it here clearly. We still in bearish channel. As we said, if we broke this level of resistance, the 430, we enter a bullish market. I'm not talking about the Fed and what they're gonna do. From just the technical will give us a signal for a reversal, and we'll be ready to buy the dip for the other stock that undervalued right now, for my opinion, if we broke the 430, but we didn't. That's why we have to be strategic and hunt the bottom when the SPY go toward the support that we're gonna discuss right now in our video. Before we start our video, we have a great announcement for our trader. You can win 20 free stocks on Momo, and of course the potential to win the 60k holiday magic. And those stocks: Tesla, AZO, we have Apple, AMC, and many more. And how you can win those free stocks: if you deposit $100, you can win 10 free stocks. But if you deposit 1,000, you can get 20 free stocks and plus the entry for the 60k holiday magic. Momo platform, you can have an AI monitor, which is give you the potential to spot the stocks that have potential to squeeze. We have institution tracking, and of course we not have to forget the most important thing for any trader, which is the level 2 data with the 0.3 second refresh rates. So use this opportunity and open an account with Momo with my exclusive link in comment section below, and let's get right back to our video and discuss the first stock on our list, which is VKTX. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of pumping up. The 17th of December, we did almost 100%. So this stock is pretty hot. Guess what? Last Friday we discussed it on our live streaming, because we always do live streaming on Friday at 7 p.m. CET, and we discussed this stock and we said there's a potential to squeeze if we overcome this breakout zone around the $8.24, and this stock have potential to squeeze for the next week toward the $9.68 and the $10.70. If we discuss how much we can make for this one, the first profit taken for almost 15% and the other one almost 25%. Not bad for this kind of move in just few days. And of course we need to hold inside this channel and from this breakout zone for the next week. So the best reaction for this stock, we have a gap up toward the $10 around this area. Next up we got dwac. The price broke our support, the 1924. That's why the price went down toward the bottom price, the 1550. So what's the game plan for dwac? If we go in the big picture, I like the big picture because the smaller picture is a bit undecided and we have a bit of shoppiness for the chart. So we have to go in the big picture to see the breakout zone for dwac. So what's the game plan for dwac? We might see another dip for dwac because right now in the midway, the $5.50 will confirm is this the support for this year or not, because if we broke that this time the 15 is mean we're gonna go toward the 1272 next time. What's my game plan? I will wait. Now is a bit dangerous to buy. The best way to confirm dwac will squeeze again toward the 30 is breaking the 20 here around this orange line to go toward the 21, first profit taken, then the 24, then the 32. Otherwise I will wait until we see the reaction here if we held it or not, this support, the 15. Because if we don't hold it, I don't have to buy. I just short or buy around this dip, the $12.72. We call it the hunter way of trading. We let the price come to us and we never run after the price. If you're new here, that's our main strategy for Hunter's channel. So whatever the market is, red or green, we make money either way. Even if you can't short or you don't know how to short, we just buy the right dip where the market maker buy, not the retail trader buying. Because when the the retail trader buying around like a fake support, we see a bit of jump, then the price breaking the support. Muln have a struggle around this level of resistance at 26 cents, and we have a support around 21 cents. So the game plan is pretty straightforward. Right now we have accumulation around this AMA. Now is a bit dangerous to buy here. We don't have the volatility first, and the second thing, we don't have decision. Are we actually in a continuation for another bearish momentum toward the 17, or we're ready to jump around the 26? This is no trader or nobody can predict what's going to happen here because we don't have volatility. Everything can go. The game plan is enter when we have the right volatility after we break the 26, which is a game on for us to go toward the 35 mega squeeze area, or wait until we break the 21 to confirm the bearish continuation and just buy the next dip around the 19, or short here muln when we break the 21. When we say the support and we break the support, you can have the other strategy by shorting the stock. But here I know many of you don't short the stock or don't know how to short the stock. We might do a video special for that. You don't have to be emotional. When the market is red, you think like the short seller are bad people, but this is normal. The stock market go up and down. So if you want to make money either way, you have to learn how to short. That's why we have to do a video special for that for the next year. Said muln 21 and 26, the most two important level. ardx have potential level to squeeze at, because last time we discussed ardx was around the $1.57 and we bought back perfectly. We need to have a patience because this reaction after this sell-off around the $2, it happened around 17th of December. And for 1 month, we accumulate above our support. So we have to be extremely patient for this trade to have another breakout where it happened here before Friday close. So this stock is pretty hot. We're going to discuss it on our Patreon pre-market update that we do always daily over there. We're gonna discuss the price action, the profit taking, because this stock is pretty volatile. So we're gonna discuss it in pre-market to see the new chart update, the level volume, to have the accurate analysis for the chart for ardx. So stay tuned for this video for tomorrow before the market open for ardx chart analysis, and of course not ardx but many stocks on our list, blue chip company and stocks have potential to squeeze before the market open. Lastly, we have the SPY. Of course, the SPY got rejected as we said around the 400 and the price went down. That's why we said this is another bearish momentum for the whole market, and that's why Tesla, Nvidia, you name it, all the blue chip company went down with the SPY exactly the same day. The SPY did 7% down. However, for Tesla went almost 25% down in Spanish just few weeks. So what's the game plan for the SPY and the whole market? We got a new support to hold for the 373 before the market close. We need to accumulate above this level if we don't want to continue to go down toward the 362. This is the new level of support for the next week if we don't hold the 372. The best case scenario for the SPY and the whole market is accumulate here between the 373 and the 389, because the 389 will be another breakout from this ascending line and confirming entering the first phase of bullish momentum for the SPY and the whole market. The best signal is the 430 after we break it. However, we need to break this channel, the bearish channel, from this area around the 400 once again to confirm that we enter a bit of bullish momentum sentiment for the next year. Otherwise, we're going to continue to go down if we accumulate, get rejected around this area, the 389, and break the 373 is mean confirmation for continuation for the bearish market. We're gonna do update for the whole market and the SPY. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update, and see you in the next video.